I'm gonna show you how to do a quick and basic color grading on DaVinci Resolve. So first, open up your DaVinci. Next, you're gonna go to the project that you're on. And you're gonna click on the color tab. First step, what I do is create a scene, a node, 2 nodes, put one all the way at the back. First one, you're gonna put color space transform, so you're gonna pretty much tell the program what camera you use and what settings. So I recorded on a Sony FX30, so I'm gonna put Sony FX3. I record in Cine, slog 3, put DaVinci wide gamut for output color space, and then output gamma, put DaVinci intermediate. You're gonna go all the way at the end, same thing. But on this part, you're gonna put DaVinci wide gamut, DaVinci intermediate, and then you're gonna put Rec 709. You're gonna put gamma 2.4. Before, the after, just with converted from log to Rec 709. And then in between, you pretty much build. So what I like to do is adjust the white balance. So I know for the lights, I did 5500 Kelvin. You can do it a bunch of different ways. But for example, one way, you can just click this right here, click the light, and then I'm gonna label this WB, white balance. The first one I'm gonna name input. And the last one, name output. So if you're happy with the white balance, then you can go however you like, to be honest. I'm gonna go with another node. It's gonna be basic, okay? There's a lot better videos on YouTube, so be patient. Enhancer Pro. This gives us a great baseline to work with. Alright, Enhancer. I'm gonna remove the grain. And then right here on the profile, you can pick the looks that you're gonna go based off of to make things quicker. So if you wanna see how it looks, you press Command D and it'll turn off that node so you can see the different look. And you just go through it, see which one you wanna work from. So this is the look I wanna start with. Then after that, you can adjust. Like I said, there's no right or wrong way to do this. So you can do it as you wish. I'm just gonna do the saturation, sat. Click there, make sure I'm selected on that node. Make sure you're on the color wheel. And then right here at the bottom, you could do it this way. Increase the saturation. See if I go a lot, you'll see what's doing it. Black and white. Increase the saturation a little. So next, let's do the S curve. With that, make sure Agable Splints is enabled. Can't read, so forgive me. This is so basic. Top is highlight, bottom is shadows, middle is midtone. So make sure you're only on the Y, not RGB. This is bringing up the highlights. This is decreasing the highlights. And then we go here, decreasing the shadows, the dark, increasing the shadows. So here in this case, let's bring it a little bit down, decrease the shadows. And then maybe increase the highlights. You See how it creates a S? How to do skin tone. So now with DaVinci, they literally have a skin tone tab. So if you look, we only graded one take, and you see everything else is not graded. There's no nodes over there, as you can see. So the easiest way, you just highlight everything. If you're showing a control environment, you don't have to do much adjusting with the other ones. Right click and apply grade on the clip that you graded. Then click replace, and it will apply to all your takes. And that's how you do it, guys. Any questions, comment below. Tips, I'm still new on this. I've been doing DaVinci. I used to use Premiere Pro, Final Cut, all of that stuff, and then finally switched to DaVinci. Been doing this for like 3 months. Still learning every day.